SB19 Damn on World Digital Song Sales plus Global and Local Trend for Damn Music Video. Remember this fan from other group who really made an effort by purchasing Damn on iTunes just to give 1 star and negative comment? Or the bashers na nagsulputan ng mailapag ang Damn? Maniniwala na talaga akong there is a machinery behind these people kaya napakasipag mag-comment at mambash at talagang pumapasok pa sa bakod natin. Pero gayon pa man, magpasalamat tayo sa mga taong ito dahil ipinakita nila sa atin ang mga bagay at gawain na hindi dapat tularan. And most of all, they have given us a motivation to work harder. With the Simula at Wakas era, masasabi talagang 18 has finally learned the lesson. Ignore the haters, work hard in silence, and let SB19 success be the reply, be the noise, and be the revenge. At heto nga, nagbunga na ang ating mga hiraya. Honestly, our goal for them was at least top 7 of World Digital Song Sales Chart, but we have achieved the #1 top spot. And on YouTube, SB19's Damn remains the #1 trending for music in the Philippines as of March 11 with 12.5 million views. Yes, 9 days na itong #1. Pero hindi lang yan dahil namamayagpag pa din ito sa YouTube Global. Even after 11 days since its release, SB19 Damn music video is still at YouTube Global Top 100 music video at number 28. Eto ang napakagandang clapback against haters and bashers, di ba? Kaya ipagpatuloy pa natin ang ating nasimulan 18, but don't forget, pat your back because we've done so good. SB19 is surely proud of us.